Ooh, hey, you sweet like Sundays. Need you on Mondays, cause those be the worst for me. You ease it perfectly. My pick me up like babies with their arms reach to the.
What up, y'all? It's your girl Knotless Danny, and I'm back today with another video. As you can see, I've got some braids in my hair, and I've been at it all day, y'all. It is Monday, Memorial Day, May 27th, and I am putting these braids into my hair. I left 4 braids for you guys to see how I do it, because it would have taken entirely too long for me to just do all of this commotion here on camera. So these are knotless box braids. This is my first time doing knotless box braids, and I like them so much. The reason being is because it does not give me any form of tension onto my scalp, and these braids are long. They're at my waist, and I'm 5'5", 5'6", depending on how the doctor feels. I want to stand up and let you guys see how long they are on me. So I can't even get them all in the frame. So they are at my waist. I'm gonna let you see how the parting and everything looks. I hope you guys can see that. And I tried my best to make them look as neat as possible. I mean, they don't have to look professional because I did it myself and I'm wearing them. But of course, hopefully you guys got a good shot of that. But these are the braids, and I can switch them any which way, so they can come over this side, I can go over that side, and they don't hurt. So, and I like kind of mastered it for me in my first try, if I do say so myself. Like, these braids are cute. So what they're looking like so far. I haven't dipped or anything. I did use Xpessions hair. I threw away all the wrappers, but if I can find a picture of it, it'll be right here on the screen to show you which hair that I did use. I used the color 1B and a mixture of 1B/30. So that's where you see this honey blonde color coming in at, and I'm in love. Like, I can't wait to like just not do my hair for a month. But without further ado, let's get right on into the video and show you guys how I get these cute knotless box braids. So I did blow dry my hair for this look so that my hair can blend seamlessly into the box braids. And I am using my African Brides hair products for this as well. I did shampoo and condition. I'm using the Braid Lock and Twist Gel for holds, of course. And I am using the Moisture Butter Leave-In for moisture. So let me do that. And then I get the Moisture Butter and put it on the length of my hair. And my hair, the Xpessions hair that I did get, was only $3.99 at my beauty supply store. So, and I remember it being more than that when I first started buying Xpessions hair. It was like $5.99 a pack. Now they went down, which I'm not complaining about, but that's just a difference that I noticed. So I'm gonna take this much hair, and then I'm just gonna feather it out a little bit, so that my ends can look tapered and not blunt. And what I do for this, I split them up into 3 pieces. So here, 1, 2, and 3.
So what you guys see me doing here is separating my hair into 3 equal sections. And then I'm going to go ahead and braid a stitch before I add in the braiding hair. Now I'm going to add in the braiding hair in between my index finger and my thumb and make sure it is lined up with my real hair as well. And I'm going to braid additional stitch and then add my second and third pieces of braiding hair as well.
And this is just to help me with the thickness of my braid. The thicker you want your braid, the more hair you'll add, obviously. And so I'm just continuing to braid, and then once I get it back to my left hand, I'm going to add my last piece of hair in and stick it between there. The hair that you are adding the extension hair to is the hair that's on top of the index finger and the one right in between your index and your thumb, the one that you're pinching. So then I'm going to just go ahead and stitch that in, or braid, and then continue to braid on down. And then once I get to the end of this braid, I'm going to take a piece of hair from the longest strand. Take some hair like that. And then I'm just going to wrap it around and make a knot like that. And you see how I got these scraggly ends right there? I'm going to use my scissors. And just cut it. Make sure I don't make it blunt because I want it to be tapered, like I said. And those hairs as well that you see sticking out of the braid, I do clip those as well. I was in the process of doing that with each of my braids. So that way, like I said, when I do go back to cut again, I don't have much to cut. And I'm going to give you guys an updated length check once these box braids are out of my hair. And I think I should get a professional trim. I don't know yet, but I did recently just trim my hair before I installed these braids, so I should be good. Should have took progress pictures, but I'm really bad at that, so I need for y'all to hold me accountable for some of these things. Like, if you're not following me on Instagram, I need you to be in my DMs and be like, sis, we need the progress pictures from when you do these updates of these hair, because we don't know who you started off at. Or comment down below in the comment section of this video and, you know, tell me, because I know where my hair started just by pulling it and just looking, but you guys don't know. So, you know, you could have been like, oh well, her hair was already like that, it didn't grow, this, that, and the third. So, and I did do another rice water update, so let me just do it since I have this small piece out. This is where I'm at right now. So I don't know how long this is. Should I get a measuring tape? Like, this piece comes like right here. The back is a little bit longer than that, but we're just gonna do it when I take the braids out. So I'll put a picture up from when I did get my hair straightened in December, and then we'll go from there. I'll have some pictures when I got my hair straightened for my birthday last year, which was December 12th. I'll compare that picture to when I take my box braids out. So that'll be like a 6-month update, because it'll be July, but it'll be July when these braids are out. So okay, or in the last week of June. Okay, so now for my last one, you guys. As you've seen me do the first two, I take the 3 pieces and then I braid like normal. Do 1 stitch. Alright, so you guys, I am finally finished with my braids, my knotless box braids. And they came out so freaking cute. So cute. So I'm going to save myself some time. I'm going to go ahead and trim them off camera and dip them off camera. And then I'm going to come back and show you guys how I'm going to make them look, take it a step further and make them look cuter. Alright y'all, so I'm back and I already clipped the flyaways with most of them, and I dipped the ends, and this is how my hair is looking. It's looking so cute. I'll give you guys a 360. So this is how my hair is looking, and I picked up these as well. They're called Mint Beauty Adjustable Braiding Beads Jewelry. Got the jumbo pack, so the jumbo ones. And I also have some leftover braiding string that I had previously. So I recycle most of my braiding stuff. Alright y'all, so I'm back and I'm all done. All of it came out great. Like, my hair is so freaking cute. I have 51 braids in all. I knew someone was going to probably ask or wonder, but just to let you know, I have 51 braids. Or should I do this? I don't know, but I love my braids. They're so cute. And this is how much hair I had left out of 3 packs. And the Xpession hair, it comes with a lot of hair, y'all. So it's like 84 inches, I believe. And I use 2, damn near 3 packs, because like I said, this is all I have from the 3rd pack. Not much hair at all. So stay tuned for some pictures, because I am going to be taking pictures, and you know where to find me for those pictures. If you're not following me on IG, make sure you follow me. My name will be right here across the screen. And yeah, I hope you guys like this tutorial. Hope you guys like this style. Let me know what you'll be rocking for this summer, what protective styles that you guys will be rocking. And like always, like, comment, and subscribe if you are new. Hi, join the family. And until next time, y'all, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.